Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade at home without sugar. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 fresh lemons, 3 cups of cold water, and your preferred natural sweetener. Options like stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit are excellent choices for a sugar-free drink. Make sure your lemons are ripe. This ensures you get the most juice and best flavor for your refreshing beverage. Now, let's get that delicious lemon juice. Roll each lemon firmly on your counter before cutting it in half. This helps release more juice. Using a citrus juicer, extract about 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. Next, add your natural sweetener directly to the juice. Start with a small amount, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, and stir well. You can always add more later to achieve your perfect level of sweetness. With your sweetened lemon juice ready, it's time to dilute it. Pour the lemon juice mixture into a pitcher, then add 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly for at least 1 minute to ensure the natural sweetener is completely dissolved and evenly distributed. Now, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the flavor. If it's too tart, add a bit more sweetener. If too sweet, add a splash more water. Your homemade sugar-free lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled over plenty of ice, perhaps with a fresh lemon slice for garnish. For a delightful twist, consider adding a few fresh mint leaves or some sliced berries like strawberries or raspberries. This enhances the flavor and adds a beautiful pop of color. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, keeping it fresh and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.